This is one of my favorite sewing machine attachments. It is a bias tape folder and the one I currently hold is suitable for 3 cm wide tape. I will thread the tape first and then show you how to install it on the machine. Take the end of the tape, fold it in half and cut it at an angle. The threading will be much easier if the end is pointy. Make sure the wrong side of the tape or the non-printed side is towards you and stick the tape end in the folder. Use a sewing coil to push the tape forward through the slot in the middle. Now pull a little bit of the tape and make sure it comes out folded. At this point we can mount the attachment to the machine. You need to have 2 screws that may come with the attachment or you have to buy them separately. Make sure to put the tape along the guide. Now hold the attachment in place and tighten both screws. Your support means a lot, so I would appreciate if you take a minute to like the video and leave me a comment below. Pull the tape straight to the back of the machine and make sure the seam line is several millimeters away from the left edge of the folded tape. If you need to adjust the position of the seam line, you have to loosen these 2 screws and slide the attachment to the left or the right. If everything seems correct, you can place the fabric under the presser foot and start sewing. Make sure the edge of the fabric is inserted between both layers and touches the fold of the tape. It's always best to sew a test piece first to avoid any mistakes. In my case, the seam looks good on both sides of the fabric, so I can continue sewing. This attachment saves a lot of time and that's why it is one of my favorite sewing gadgets. When you get to the end, raise the presser foot, pull the fabric piece towards the back, then cut the bias tape. Then you can insert the next piece and start sewing again, or just sew all pieces one after the other and cut the tape to separate them afterwards. This is the final result. I have a professional finish, easy and fast without any struggles. That's all for today. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.